If you want to work smarter, not harder, these must-have job site tools are game changers. Whether you're cutting, measuring, fastening, or organizing, I've got the ultimate list to make every project seamless. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Soccer Mini Chainsaw features a 2025 upgraded motor made of pure copper that minimizes friction and boosts cutting speed. Its powerful design handles firewood, branches, and boards quickly with smooth, even cuts. A large rechargeable battery ensures long runtime and fast charging for convenience, while the slim and lightweight 2.5 pounds design makes it easy to use by anyone, including older users and women. A secure safety lock and protective baffles guarantee safe operation during work, making this chainsaw an efficient, reliable helper for all your woodworking projects every time. Number 2. Imagine a pocket-sized powerhouse that plays music and takes calls effortlessly. The DEWALT Bluetooth speaker packs huge sound in a small, wearable device. Its improved clip is 4 times stronger, letting you attach it anywhere with one hand. Weighing under 2 ounces, it's ultra-light and perfect for work or gardening. Now freestanding, with a stable footer, it easily sits on a bench. Built to handle dust and water, with an IP56 rating and a handy carry pouch, this speaker is ready. It truly proves itself versatile in every outdoor setting. Number 3. Meet the HOTO Laser Measuring Tool, a compact distance measure device with a 98 feet range and remarkable plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy. With a low-power OLED display that efficiently shows real-time data, it's perfect for indoor use. It quickly measures distances in just 0.2 seconds and easily switches between meter, inch, and feet units. Its Bluetooth connection links to the MI Home app for data storage, floor plans, and photo export. The universal Type-C charging and reliable performance make it an ideal companion for real estate agents, architects, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 4. The adjustable wrench features auto-size adjusting technology with a self-locking jaw design that allows one-handed operation. Its versatile range covers large sizes from 0.6 to 1.38 inches and small sizes from 0.28 to 0.6 inches, replacing multiple wrenches effortlessly. The wrench rotates and repositions for a firm bite, easing bolt extraction, tightening, and loosening with precise engagement. Constructed of CRV with an ergonomic, lightweight TPR handle, it minimizes fatigue and delivers efficient performance for home repairs, bike fixes, and car maintenance with outstanding durability. This wrench is built tough. Number 5. These rechargeable LED work lights combine durability with versatility in a compact design. Made from hard rubber and aluminum, they are anti-sweat, anti-slip, and feature efficient heat dissipation to prolong the lamp's life. Their foldable design makes them portable and easy to store. With a built-in USB rechargeable battery and 5 lighting modes, including high, medium, front, and 2 red alert settings, they are adaptable for various tasks. The 360-degree rotation and magnetic base allow for flexible, hands-free illumination, making them ideal for camping, BBQs, car repairs, or nighttime projects. Number 6. These knee pads provide all-day comfort as lightweight padded knee sleeves that can be worn over or under your work pants. This seamless design, made from flexible EVA padding, contours perfectly to your leg for a natural second skin fit that enhances agility and precision in confined spaces. The breathable mesh back keeps you cool and comfortable even during extended use, while the elastic cuff with slip-resistant silicone ensures a secure hold. Ideal for demanding job sites and tasks, these knee pads offer reliable protection and convenience wherever your work takes you. Number 7. Rack Magnetic Wristband is a game-changing accessory that holds your screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits with 10 powerful magnets. It's perfect for home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, or any DIY job. You can wear it on your wrist or attach it to your belt, keeping your tools within reach. With its adjustable, one-size-fits-most strap and breathable mesh for comfort, it ensures a secure fit all day. This versatile gadget makes a fantastic gift for dads, husbands, or anyone in need of a convenient tool belt-like solution. Truly convenient. Number 8. Introducing the Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool, a versatile construction pencil designed for precision. Adjust the tool easily by tightening the pencil holder and nut to create various shapes, locking it in place. Made with durable aluminum alloy and anodized for a longer life, it features a clear scale for effortless drawing of parallel lines and arcs. Compact and lightweight, it fits in your pocket and clips onto your trouser belt for easy access. With over 15 marking applications, this tool is perfect for tiling, carpentry, and general construction tasks effortlessly. Number 9. The UUP heavy-duty rolled tool storage is built with upgraded Oxford fabric featuring a durable PVC coating, rust-proof zippers, quality straps and buckles, and well-stitched edges that keep it strong and water-resistant. It meets latest E-Mark standards for low odor and safety. With 4 fixed large compartments, 2 detachable pouches with D-rings, and 5 external pockets, it organizes screwdrivers, wrenches, vice grips, ratchets, and pliers effortlessly. Compact and portable, it conveniently rolls up to save space and fits in your truck, car, boat, motorcycle, or bike for on-the-go projects. Number 10. The Toolant Impact Hex Head Allen Wrench Drill Bit Set is engineered for heavy-duty performance and high-demand screw driving. This 20-piece set offers 10 SAE and 10 metric sizes, each featuring a 1/4 inch hex shank and 2-inch length. Made from S2 alloy steel with a hardened core and manganese phosphate finish to resist rust, the CNC machine tips and torsion zone absorb torque peaks, reducing breakage. Enhanced magnetism keeps screws firmly held, and a sturdy storage box provides effortless and superb organization. This impressive set is a must-have for every workshop. Number 11. Discover a complete Carpenter pencil set perfect for any project. It offers 3 sturdy Carpenter pencils with 18 high-quality 2.8mm lead refills, 3 metal mechanical drafting pencils with 36 extra 2.0mm lead refills, and 3 long-nosed marker pens in red, black, and yellow for deep hole marking. You also get a carbide scriber tool, an automatic center punch, 2 pencil sharpeners, a spare needle, and a 4B eraser, all neatly stored in a handy pouch. The built-in sharpener delivers constant precision for woodworking, architecture, and engineering needs. Every tool impresses. Number 12. Upgrade your toolbox with the Toolant Impact Magnetic Nut Driver Set. This 34-piece collection handles every nut challenge effortlessly, featuring metric and SAE drivers, deep nut drivers, a wing nut driver, socket adapters, and a 6-inch bit extension. Perfect for DIY projects and professional jobs, it tackles drain pipes, furniture mounting, carjacking, exhaust replacement, metal roofing, and more with ease. Crafted with thicker walls using advanced quenching for unmatched durability, its reinforced magnetic design holds bolts securely to prevent loss. Experience unparalleled strength and convenience in every work environment. Number 13. The 15-pieces screw extractor set is an upgraded double head design that connects directly to your wrench, eliminating the need for an adapter. Its spiral left-hand hex head multi-spline design grips firmly for fast removal of stripped, broken, or rusted bolts, screws, nuts, and studs. This extractor works well with both power and hand tools, thanks to its high-density spiral pattern that speeds threading. Crafted from heat-treated chromium molybdenum steel, each piece is engraved with its size for easy identification, ensuring durability and convenience in every job every time. Number 14. Experience ultimate convenience with the Nico magnetic tool and telescoping mirror set, designed for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This adjustable pickup tool reaches nearly 3 feet, featuring a powerful magnet and 360-degree swivel for retrieving dropped nuts, bolts, screws, and other metal items. Its remarkably compact design includes an LED flashlight, a square inspection mirror with built-in light, and a round telescoping mirror, making it ideal for hard-to-reach spots behind appliances, cabinets, and workbenches. A 15 pounds magnetic rod, a 1 pound magnetic rod, and a 3-in-1 screwdriver complete this essential kit. Number 15. The TGF 17-piece SDS Plus rotary hammer drill bits and chisel set features robust YG8C carbide tips and carbide steel blades for enhanced wear resistance. Finely ground chisels deliver efficient cutting for tile removal, grooving, and light demolition. A sandblasted surface improves rust resistance, while heat treatment ensures strong impact performance. The set includes 12 concrete drill bits in 4 sizes, 2 pointed chisels, 2 flat chisels, and 1 tile chisel in a portable case. Its SDS Plus shank and U-shaped flute quickly clear debris for even smoother, cooler operation. Number 16. Discover the Fisker's 12-inch Hookaroon, a versatile landscaping tool designed for rotating, dragging, and stacking logs with ease. Its pointed, angled blade is perfect for efficiently grabbing and releasing small to medium firewood during yard work and lawn cleanup. The lightweight, sturdy handle features a textured, non-slip grip and flared end that minimize hand strain and offer superior control. Crafted from hardened boron steel, the blade stands up to heavy use, ensuring outstanding durability and lasting performance for any outdoor project. Proven reliability makes it indispensable for all outdoor jobs. Number 17. CAT DG 650/60 volt leaf blower offers powerful performance with 700 CFM airflow and 135 miles per hour speed to tackle heavy-duty cleanup effortlessly. Its adjustable variable speed, including a turbo mode, lets you easily switch between high volume and high speed settings for sweeping driveways and gathering debris. The brushless motor outperforms standard designs by boosting power and extending runtime. With a compact ergonomic design weighing just 8.4 pounds, it delivers efficient, quiet operation at only 65 decibels. Enjoy versatile cleaning for leaves, pine cones, and gravel with this efficient, cordless leaf blower. Truly remarkable. Number 18. This innovative measuring tool attaches securely to your saw fence, eliminating the need for tape measures or pencils. The Recon M1 caliber uses a wheel to digitize measurements on flat and round materials, displaying results on a large backlit LCD screen. It lets you measure and cut stock 3 times faster than traditional methods, while improving safety. Compatible with many saw types and offering both English and metric modes, setup is simple. Input your blade thickness, release the arm, and begin cutting with precision. Transform your miter saw into precision cutting. Number 19. Experience precision measuring with this innovative Rafter square that integrates 2-level vials and a bullseye plumbing vial for unmatched accuracy. Its adjustable pivoting arm locks into place and allows precise angle measurements along a machine track featuring 21 indexed presets and a 10-inch heel. Crafted from thick aluminum and stainless steel, it is built to last. Combining a traditional square with a level protractor, pitch and angle finder, plumb bob, and scribing guide, it is ideal for framing, roofing, fencing, carpentry, and welding projects. A dependable tool for pros. Number 20. The CAT DG 620/60 volt 25-inch brushless 2-speed backpack hedge trimmer delivers gas-like power and precise speed control for effortless shaping and trimming of shrubs. Its ergonomic backpack design offloads battery weight for comfortable handling over long periods. Equipped with brushless motor 2.0, it provides 40% more power and longer runtime, ensuring superior performance. A laser-cut dual-edge blade produces sharp, clean cuts on thick branches, while rotating handles enable smooth vertical and horizontal trimming. 2-speed control adjusts to dense growth or light work, offering premium power without the hassle of gas.